Crystal, and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society. So you decided to send your products over to the Amazon FBA Fulfillment Center. Your products are going to go through a Hazmat review. Sometimes it's a very simple process and sometimes it's a little bit complicated. So in this quick tip video, we're going to be talking about how you can upload SDS exemption sheets onto the Amazon platform and get your products approved. Let's get started. So you listed your product on Amazon, you converted it to FBA, and now you're sending the products over to the Amazon warehouse. Basically, you're creating a shipping plan. So this is where you're going to encounter the following, whereby Amazon is asking you to add the dangerous goods information. Sometimes it's very simple and straightforward, depending on what the product is, depending on the category, and it's just two questions that you need to answer: whether the product does or doesn't have a battery, and whether the product is or isn't dangerous. So it might be yes, no, and it might be even not sure. You submit this, and within 1 hour to maybe 24 hours, your products are either going to be approved and you can directly create a shipping plan, or it might take a little bit more convincing for Amazon to approve your product. Now, that's assuming this is the easy way, basically. The hard way would be Amazon asking you for additional information, and this is where you're going to have to go to your Manage Dangerous Goods Classification dashboard, whereby if you go down to the bottom, you'll see you've got exemption sheets, which you have to fill out and upload. The exemption sheets are, number one, the first exemption sheet is for battery and battery-operated products, and the other exemption sheet would be for products that do not contain harmful chemicals. So anything other than a product that has a battery. Now, as you can see here, you can choose the document in any language that you want. There are a few languages, Arabic being one of them, Turkish, Dutch, Swedish, and any language that you like. You can use the preferred language that you feel comfortable with. Let's just download the sheets in English so I can show you what they look like and how you can fill them out. So this is the first sheet, which is the battery and battery-powered products. This is where you just enter the date, you enter your first name and your last name, the ASIN number of the product, because you have already listed the product, so it should have an ASIN number, the product name, which is the title of your product. Are batteries sold with the product, or is the product a battery? So you need to answer yes or no. You can see right here, you only have yes or no option. What the chemical composition of the battery is, how it's packaged. As you can see here, you've got three options: in equipment, with equipment, or standalone. So if it's a standalone battery, or if it's actually part of the product itself, like in equipment, for example, right here, the type of battery. You have all the options that are required. You can ask your supplier, of course, if you're not very knowledgeable when it comes to batteries and what they look like. You can just simply ask your supplier and they can help you out. And you have to add the wattage or the hours, and if it's spillable or non-spillable. So you fill out all this information, you save the sheet, and then let me show you where you upload it. You go up top here. You click Upload Document, very easy. You type in the ASIN number of the particular product and you choose the file, which you have already saved. And you also additionally choose the language again, the language of the file. So if the file is in English, choose English. If the file is in Arabic, choose Arabic. And then you click Upload. If there's no problems whatsoever, you should be approved within anywhere from 1 hour all the way to 4 days. Yes, it sometimes might take 4 days. And if you're not approved, then you'll see right here, not classified, unable to classify, or declined, or anything like that. And you have to upload again and try again to see maybe you wrote something incorrectly, maybe what you wrote was not very clear. There is a reason why Amazon are not approving you, and you need to make sure that they do, because you do want to sell your products on Amazon FBA, of course. That's it for this quick tip video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you click on the notification bell so that you are notified whenever we upload videos just like this one. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye!